7 feminine traits men find irresistible. Have you ever wondered what guys look for in a woman? Are you curious about these oh-so-amazing qualities that men can't seem to resist? Are you concerned that you aren't girlfriend material? Even if it's true that beauty is only skin deep, there's no disputing that first impressions matter. Have you ever wondered what guys truly notice and what they find the most appealing? Let's be honest about it. The first things a man notices about you aren't what's on the inside of your heart or how good, funny, and valuable you are. He notices your appearance, or at least the majority of men do. To be honest, most women do as well. That isn't to say that your appearance determines everything. It's probably the first thing people notice, but it's not the most significant. To look nice on the outside, you must be happy with yourself on the inside. These are the traits that characterize your beauty and will always win out over physical attractiveness. 1. Caring. A man will be biologically drawn to your loving, almost nurturing energy. It's no longer about being a mother to him, because that would simply draw him into his role as a little boy, but rather about demonstrating that you can be a good mother and possess that nurturing spirit. If you have children together or not, it will be appealing to a guy on a biological level because men and women are both evolutionarily hardwired to procreate. And part of that is the gender roles of a father and a mother. Being able to play that role might be quite appealing to a man. That polarity and masculine-feminine chemistry are created by this. The masculine-feminine polarity is the sole thing that causes chemistry and attraction. You may do this by showing him how much you care and nurture him. If he's having a difficult day, hug him, put your arm around him, and simply ask, "Do you want to talk about it?" Or, "What do you need right now?" Or, "What can I do to help?" That compassionate spirit can demonstrate to him that you possess that quality. 2. Listen to him. Guys appreciate a girl who makes an effort to pay attention to them. If he wants you to be his girlfriend, he has to know that you're willing to listen to him. Why? On the other hand, there will be days when all he wants to do is come home to you and tell you about his bad day. Remember that the strong guy persona is only for show. Underneath that persona is a human being in need of someone to listen to his story. The plain truth is that men have a hard time processing and comprehending their emotions. Women are more in tune with their feelings than males. Male and female brains are, after all, biologically distinct. The limbic system is the brain's emotional processing center, and it's far bigger in a woman's brain than it is in a man's. This means it's up to women to pay attention to guys and try to comprehend what they're going through. Michael Fiore, a relationship expert, taught me this. He's regarded as one of the world's foremost experts on male psychology and what guys seek in relationships. From the link in the video description, you may learn about Michael's life-changing method for coping with men who won't open up to you. Michael explains how to get your boyfriend to commit to a passionate relationship. Even the coldest and most commitment-phobic guys respond strongly to his methods. Watch that free video if you want science-based strategies to make a man fall in love with you and stay in love with you. 3. Femininity with a touch of sexiness. Strong masculine men appeal to women, whereas seductive feminine women appeal to men. However, in today's world, our understanding of femininity might become a little unclear. Many of us mistake femininity for passiveness and pushiness. This could hardly be more incorrect. Despite the shift in male-female roles, one thing remains true. Femininity is the most significant trait that attracts men to women. It's all about claiming your sexual power when you're a woman. Every guy wants to be with a woman who radiates a strong feminine presence. You know, the kind of look that could stop a train. Guys adore it when she enters into a room with confidence and everyone turns to look at her. It might be your clothing, your grin, or your hair, rather than your look. It's all about radiating sexual confidence while walking, sitting, chatting, and moving. It's all about swooning over that seductive, attractive female beauty. A woman who recognizes the importance of her femininity understands that she is valuable, that she does not require a man's care, and that she is secure in who she is. That is the type of feminine woman a man admires. 4. Helplessness and femininity. Men admire strong, powerful, and independent women, but they also admire the concept of a woman letting a man be a man. It also means submitting to your own femininity. The effortlessness, winning a woman's love, and taking care of her when she requires assistance. All of this puts a man in his element, making him feel strong and masculine. Men like to feel needed, but don't go overboard. Pretending or exaggerating helplessness will only backfire. As previously stated, men are attracted to confident and independent women. So pretending to be helpless will upset your partner rather than pique his interest. The goal is to strike a balance, and every woman should know when to draw the line. As much as a man wants to be appreciated, he does not want a woman who is domineering and overly dependent on him. This will just drive him further away. But keep in mind that a man needs to be a man at times, so coddling him won't help. Allow him to be your hero in shining armor from time to time. 5. Authenticity. This is a very important characteristic in a woman. So, what is the definition of authenticity? Authenticity means you're willing to be vulnerable, to be your true self, and to exhibit the parts of yourself that you're afraid to express. Your peculiarities, the quirks that distinguish you from others. What are those extreme portions of you that are just quite different from the rest of people, almost to an extreme? When you're feeling emotions, let him see them, since he'll notice something's wrong anyway, so why not show him? Part of feminine energy is the feminine flow of emotions, like the ocean. Femininity is the ocean, whereas masculinity is the rock. The feminine ebbs and flows, like the weather, on a monthly cycle. It's fine because it's always changing. That is a feminine trait that a masculine man will find appealing. 6. Driven. Men will fall prey to any woman with such drive and ambition because they find such drive to be rather irresistible. There are few things more attractive, seductive, and inspiring than a lady who is truly living out her ambitions. Staying true to your individual personality while pursuing your aspirations and achieving your goals is not only motivating but also alluring to any man. Men find a woman's determination to be highly attractive, a lady who understands exactly what she is passionate about and devotes her life to it. This desire and enthusiasm give her a purpose to get out of bed in the morning, as well as a sense of direction that leads to her independence. Women who exude a contagious joy for life always attract the proper kind of guys. One of the most admirable qualities is a woman who understands what she wants in life, sets objectives, and then does whatever it takes to attain them. 7. Intelligence. Men can't help but think a woman who is intelligent, smart, thoughtful, and can hold her own in any form of conversation is immensely appealing. Men are more drawn to a woman who is street smart, wise, has a sense of humor, and most all, emotionally intelligent. Sure, it's amusing to joke about and chat about little things now and then, but a woman who likes to ponder life's greatest concerns, who will talk all night about the wonders of the universe, who cares about what's going on in the world. A man admires a woman who can teach him a thing or two, who isn't scared to express herself and not just teach, but also learn from him. Well, that's all for today from Brainy Facts. Thanks for watching.